Okay, so in the seventh question, we have to find the value of 20C0 minus 20C1 upon 2 plus 20C2 upon 3 and then 20C3 upon 4 and so on. So this looks like it's 20C0 plus 20C1 into x squared upon 2. Wait, no, not exactly that thing. It's like negative of 20C1 into x upon 1 and plus 20c1 into x squared upon 2 plus 20c2 x cubed upon 3 and so on, where the value of x is negative 1. That should make sense. So what we can do is that we can get this easily using integrations, like 1 plus x power n, that's going to be equal to, sorry, it's supposed to be 20 over there, right? So 1 plus x power 20, that's going to be 20c0 plus 20c1 into x plus 20c2 into x squared and so on. So like at 20c, I think 20c, what is this thing, 20c20 sorry, what am I doing? Okay, 20c20 x power 20. And what we can do is that we can actually integrate these things, like it's going to be integral of 1 plus x power 20, that's going to be 1 plus x power 21 upon 2, sorry, upon 21, and this should be going from negative 1 to 0, which turns out to be like, well, you put 0 over there, just get 1 power 21 upon 21, minus when you put negative over there, just get 0. So that's it, 1 power, sorry, 1 upon 21. Okay, and what about the right hand side? So when you integrate this thing, it's going to be 20c0 into x upon 1 plus 20c1 x squared upon 2 plus 20c2 x cubed upon 3 and so on. So like 20cn x power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and this is going from negative 1 to 0, right? So when you put 0 over there, just get 0. When you put negative 1, you get negative of, like, you gotta subtract the lower limit, right? So negative of, when you put negative 1, you get negative 20c0 upon 1, and then positive 20c1 upon 2, and then negative 20c3 upon, wait, 20c2 upon 3 and so on. So that should make sense. So like multiply this by negative once again, so you should get 20c0 upon 1 minus 20c1 upon 2 plus 20c3, sorry, 20c2 upon 3 and so on. Okay, and well, that's exactly what we are supposed to find. So that should be it. This series actually turns out to be 1 upon 21. Easy. Okay, I will see you in the next one.